Hey guys, so today I'll be entering SabbyLoves Bakery Contest. So first of all, this is what I made. It's a cupcake girl and cupcake boy figurine. So I made these little chibis and they're meant to look like cupcakes. They're shaded and they're textured, so they have icing on their head and their body is a cupcake base, and their hands and head and legs are all cupcake batter. So then, on the figurine, I also have this bowl of chocolate sauce, and this is meant to look really messy, that's why it's dripping off the plate. And then there's some candy marshmallows, and there's a lollipop on the side. So I hope you guys liked it, and this charm is made with 100% happiness and cuddles, and is made with polymer clay. So thanks for watching this video, and also congratulations so much to SabbyLoves on her recent 13,000 subscribers. So thanks for watching, and good luck to all the other people that are entering her contest. Bye!